The phone in your pocket right now will be completely obsolete in 5 years. These 7 technologies are about to flip your entire life upside down. Number 1. Holographic phone displays. No more cracked screens, just pure light floating above your hand. Number 2. Smartwatches that read your blood sugar in real time, no needles, no strips, just a glance at your wrist. Number 3. AI earbuds that translate Tagalog to Japanese instantly. Imagine chatting with anyone on Earth with zero language barrier. Number 4. Brain-computer interfaces that let you type just by thinking. Your fingers? Retired. Number 5. Clothing that charges your devices from body heat. Your morning jog literally powers your phone. Number 6. Delivery drones replacing tricycles for last-mile logistics right here in Manila. Packages arriving in minutes, not hours. And number 7. The digital peso replacing cash entirely. And here's the scary part, the Philippine government already signed the framework for this in 2024. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening in your country. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Which tech are you most hyped about? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe. We drop mind-blowing videos every single day.